This is the teacher. Classmates, we have a testing we will do. I need some to go to the office. But there may be, hold on, a new kid coming in, and she or he will be perfect enough for a new student class. Okay, class? Yes, Mrs. Felsen. Alright. Well, Mrs. Felsen gets her work finished, I need to tell these boys and girls a secret. Make sure everyone's good in class, okay? Because I need to get the new kid. Okay. Here's our new kids. What's your name? My name is, Boing. Boing, really? Boing. Okay. Boing, you will sit over here. Okay. Yay. That's perfect. Now, classmates, we do not have enough students, but I'll get the testers. Someone needs to get the testers. Who wants to get them? Me. Alright, you two girls go. Awesome. My chair. Sorry. This needs to stay up there. Let's get all the testers in here. There may be some that's extra. Let's get the extra one. We will pass them out, right? No, we do not pass them out. Okay. Do you got enough now? No? There. Now we do. Not anymore. Need two more. There. There you go, Mrs. Felsen. Thank you, girls. You're welcome, Mrs. Felsen. This one. Ow! Are you okay? Yep. Not bad. No cheating on the test. If you cheat, you're going to get 0. Honey mine. There. Hey, is that for me? No, it's for me. Ah. Ooh, yay. Our new kid may not get the new one. Ow! I hurt myself. Oh, that hurt. Ow! I hurt mine too. So, classmates, you may not begin if you did not get one. You can begin if you did get yours. Okay, class? Yes, Mrs. Felsen. Okay. Now, I need the teacher's test. I put this back in the office. This will be our present. No, not that. Where did it go?
Batteries.
So now, we are getting some lunch for you. Everyone get a chance? No? Your last one? Yep, I didn't get one. Okay. Ring, 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 ring. Lunchtime's over, class. Done. We're done.